everyone! Today, I wanted to take a look at Squarespace's different pricing plans and help you figure out which one is the right fit for your website needs. Squarespace is an incredibly popular all-in-one platform for building beautiful websites, but with a few different options to choose from, I know it can get a little confusing trying to decide which plan to go with. So in this video, we'll take a high-level look at the personal, business, and commerce basic and advanced plans. I'll cover the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of each so you can determine what plan aligns best with your goals, budget, and technical abilities. Sound good? Let's dive in. Personal Plan Overview. First up, we have Squarespace's Personal Plan, which runs $16 per month if you pay monthly. This is their basic starter plan designed for individuals and small projects. Some key features include fully customizable, professional website templates, built-in mobile optimization, free custom domain name. The Personal Plan is a great affordable option if you just need an online presence with a custom domain without a ton of bells and whistles. The main limitations are no built-in e-commerce features for taking payments and limited analytics. So if you're looking for a simple but good-looking site on a budget, the Personal Plan will serve you well. But let's look at the other options if you need more advanced features. Business Plan Overview. Next up is Squarespace's Business Plan, which costs $23 per month if billed monthly. The main upgrades over the Personal Plan include advanced analytics, integrated e-commerce support, 3% transaction fees on payments. The Business Plan works well for people looking to sell products and services directly through their site. The e-commerce features are still fairly basic, but it's a solid mid-tier solution. Just keep the 3% transaction fees in mind, though you can save some money by paying annually. Commerce Basic Plan Overview. If you really want to optimize the e-commerce aspect of your Squarespace site, the Commerce Basic Plan may be the way to go at $27 per month if billed monthly. With Commerce Basic, you'll get everything in the Business Plan. 0% transaction fees on products/services. Check out on your custom domain instead of Squarespace. By removing those transaction fees and letting customers check out directly on your site rather than a separate Squarespace URL, Commerce Basic helps your store feel more high-end and professional. Definitely make the upgrade from business if you are selling seriously. Commerce Advanced Overview. And lastly, we have Squarespace's top-tier Commerce Advanced Plan, which runs $49 per month if billed monthly. This unlocks the full e-commerce feature set, everything in Commerce Basic, advanced shipping options, more advanced discounts, self-subscription products, deeper merchandising functionality. Commerce Advanced is geared towards those running a highly optimized online store with a large inventory and serious sales volume. For most basic e-commerce needs, Commerce Basic should suffice, but Advanced is there if you really want to spare no expense unlocking all of Squarespace's robust commerce capabilities. Conclusion. So in summary, start with the Personal Plan if you just need a basic affordable website with custom styling options. Business unlocks e-commerce basics for small stores. Commerce Basic removes transaction fees for more professional standalone stores. And Commerce Advanced enables complete feature-rich stores prepared to scale. I hope this overview of Squarespace's various pricing plans was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you're ready to give Squarespace a try, remember to take advantage of their free trials to test it out. Also, don't forget to check link in video description for any additional discounts on Squarespace. Thanks for watching and happy website building!